kublaya pi baro ha kane kapor kabamta te kabalang Katolik karena kedap da kecingkemen ha kabakalai yo biang ban pli ya ka wei ka Iing mane kabahetam hapo kari irag wat hadien katu katnes nem jong kajing syahyatma ha kile no ISIS nadu usnam arajar katsau hadu arajar kanyau te menta u presiden jong kari irag uladon bentalang ban pli ya kane ka Iing mane te sobha ban pe ya kane ka video.
Inside the old city of Mosul, bells that were once silenced are ringing again. The Iraqi Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani officially reopened the Church of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception, known as Al-Tahira, together with the Dominican Church of Our Lady of the Hour. The ceremony included the ringing of the restored church bell and the planting of olive trees, a universal sign of peace and reconciliation. Both churches, along with Mosul's famous Great Al-Nuri Mosque, were left in ruin during the occupation of ISIS from 2014 to 2017. From destruction to resurrection, the reopening of two historic churches offers a sign of healing for Mosul and for Iraqi Christian community. For many, it's not only about restoring walls, but about restoring hope.